Hey guys, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are trying out this super exquisite, one-of-a-kind elegance mod here for multiple cars. We're gonna do multiple cars. It's gonna be an experiment today, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I thought it was really funny. I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. And without further ado, don't forget to give this video a like, and let's go on to the pass. You guys already know we like to go to the pass, so 3, 2, 1. No, se le quita. No, yo pensaba que era hielo. Con una wipe, con un wipe. Oh my god, ya me lo mojaste todo. Oh my god. Can y'all see the smoke? Am I tripping? I can only see it in person. Can y'all see the smoke? I'm a little nervous because today's the day I'm going to the airport and I do not want to catch any coronavirus or anything like that. I've worn some clothes, not this sweater, but the thing underneath, and my pants. We're gonna throw everything away after I come back, just so I don't bring anything. I got some masks and everything. Dude, we can't bring anything home. So let's go to school. I'm a little nervous today. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm a little nervous. And the girl, like I said in the last video, was supposed to work with me, and she bailed on me. So you know what? I'm gonna find her address and beat her. Guys, look at our freaking gas. We are less than half than the very last bit of gas we have. Holy. We're gonna try to conserve our gas as much as possible. Here we go. Oh shit, this shit launched, bro. Damn. A lot of you guys know who own G's and stuff like that. Everybody keeps saying they're not fast. Everybody keeps saying they're slow. And you know, you see them in video and yeah, they're getting gassed by almost any car. But I get in this car and I'm driving it. I gas it all the time, or not all the time, but I gas it sometimes. And I have so much fun. Like I genuinely enjoy the power. You can definitely feel it. It's fun. Then again, I haven't driven any other faster car. So it really sucks because I really enjoy this car and I don't want to drive another car and ruin it for me. School, but we got the light. Oh hell no, we need to find a gas station ASAP. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we're out. Put nice. Oh, we gotta make it like nice even when it's parked, you know what I'm saying? No joke, guys, I'm gonna go in like this to the airport. Like this. You gotta protect your eyes and your mouth.
There's enough out there for it to potentially happen. So yes, it can. Probably does from time to time.
We only get 91 here, no 93, buddy. Sorry. Alright guys, let's go in my room. We're gonna go open up this super secret mod. Yes guys, it's from Amazon. Honestly, might just get a freaking horn and use that. Man, it looks good. I need a horn though. If anybody has a horn, please let me know. I'll buy it off you. Freaking the package. Here's the package we've all been waiting for. Let's drop it. Oh, more package. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh, guys. We got a freaking turbo whistle, bruh. I was curious, bro. Do these actually work, bro? We gotta try them out, bro. We gotta try them out. Let's go outside. Alright, guys. So we're outside. We only got one exhaust. Let's get right to it. Is that melting already again? Maybe I could blow on it. It's a Bro, tell me please, whoever manufactured this, bro. You really thought that sounded like a turbo, bro? Okay, hold up. Let me retry that. I'm already highly disappointed. Okay, hold up. Okay, guys, I really don't think this is gonna work. I don't see how this can possibly work, but regardless, alright guys, the thing is installed. It's officially on. Try it on the G. I don't think, if anything, I think we'll hear it less on the G because it's loud. It has an exhaust and it's louder, right? Compared to stock exhaust, it's not as loud. I think you'll hear the whistle a little bit more. So let's try it out. Let's try it out. Vas a prenderlo y nomás te voy a decir que le pises poquito para ir algo, ¿ok? Otra vez. Otra Alright guys, so based on that, yeah, definitely did not hear a majority. I don't know why anybody would use that, but we're gonna go ahead, try it out in the other vehicles, see how that rolls out. And but yeah, this, we're gonna give it a big yellow X.
Going into the freeway.
Man, this thing pulls, bro. See why I waste more gas now? All right guys, it's a complete different day, but we're still gonna continue with this little experiment we're doing. But I have some great news for you guys. I decided and changed my mind after a bunch of you guys DM'd me. Hey, maybe I should just install my steering wheel because, like, you know, why not, right? And so we went ahead and I got a bunch of DMs from you guys saying like, hell yeah, freaking install it. Stop being stupid. Get your act together. Install it. So I have made my act together and we're going to go ahead and install it. The only reason I kind of was debating why I didn't want to install it was because of the horn. I ordered a horn through Zeculus and they didn't freaking pull through. They didn't send me a horn. They said they were going to send me one. They still haven't sent me one. They're not responding to any of my messages and it's like really annoying, man. I'm done with that company. I'm out of there. But yeah, we already ordered an NRG horn. Hopefully it's gonna come tomorrow, man. Amazon Prime is freaking beautiful, man. So we just installed it. I had to put tape because the screws that held that on, I lost them. I don't know where the hell they ended up. Hopefully we can expect a better result here, but we'll see. All right, she's gonna get in the car and rev it. Dale más fuerte. Oh, that's kind of weird. It sounds like. Una vez más. Oh, there you go. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, apágalo. Bro, did you guys hear that? Alright guys, so we just did the Honda right now, and so I couldn't hear anything at the beginning, but as she went higher, like I think she went up to 5, it actually popped. It popped and it sounded a little bit, not like a turbo of course, but it sounded like it had an exhaust. Sounded like it had an exhaust. So now we're gonna go ahead and try the Kia, see how it sounds, and see if it sounds like a Honda. Hopefully the camera caught it, but I'm not. Oh damn, okay, hold on. This thing might have a turbo. Creo que ese sí trae turbo, ¿no?
Sí, yo creo que sí, le digo a tu papá que se jala bien recio.
Creo que ese sí es turbo, tiene un turbo ese. So I don't know if that disqualifies this because it's already turbo. Hold up. Dale otra vez. Oh shit. Okay, dale, una más fuerte. Oh shit. Okay, una más y ya. Okay, yeah. Sounded like one of those whistles, like those referee whistles, and that's what it sounded with this. It definitely did sound the loudest though, like compared to my car and the Honda. You definitely heard it the loudest with this car. It sounded like this. Do these turbo whistles work? I mean, they work. I mean, if you don't have a loud exhaust, they kind of work. But do they sound good? No, they don't. They sound like, you know, those regular whistles. So I think that was pretty funny. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I decided to change my mind and we're going to be installing the steering wheel. My horn should come in tomorrow and we might install it over the weekend. Not sure yet, but I'll keep you guys updated and upload the install. Without further ado, don't forget to leave a like and I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out.
And subscribe.